on top of the in-principle agreements we already reached with OPEC and Kuwait. Similarly, I must thank the honorable leader of opposition and all members of this House for approving other instruments that are part of the IMF conditions, including legislative measures on procurement, insurance, financial services, and VAT. So I urge all members to maintain this non-partisan spirit towards the ECF program that our country is benefiting from. And that is why when I led a team to both the headquarters of the IMF and the headquarters of the World Bank 3 months ago, I assured both institutions that all of us as Malawians will work together across political lines to ensure that the program succeeds. And I owe this entire House my deepest thanks for showing these institutions that my portrayal of our collective unity in support of national interests was accurate. In that spirit of unity, I invite the honorable leader of opposition and all members of this House to join me in celebrating the fact that because of the measures we have put in place in compliance with the ECF program, also working to control inflation, as evidenced by the fact that Consumer Price Index, CPI, for November shows a reduction in inflation, which is maintained, if maintained, will help keep prices of commodities under control, which is precisely the kind of indicator of macroeconomic stability we should all celebrate. So, Madam Speaker, the country's ECF program remains broadly on track, save for a few areas that are not uncommon for countries in our situation. And as far as those areas are concerned, my government is currently working closely with the IMF to resolve them in order to conclude its first review of this program and clear the way for the next disbursement of funding to Malawi for the benefit of our people. I thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Cholo Central. Sorry? The mics are not working? She will come and check. Cholo Central. Your mic, everybody's mic is working. No. Remember, honorable member for Cholo Tava. Cholo Tava. Resume your seat, Cholo Tava. Resume your seat. Cholo Tava, resume your seat. Resume your seat, Cholo Tava. No. No, Cholo Tava, resume your seat. No, I will not have that. Honorable member for Cholo Tava, if you did not come for training, that's not my problem. You are supposed to be, if you want to be recognized, you are supposed to send in your name as quickly as possible, and it will take the first 6. Thank you. Cholo Central, you have the floor.
Thank you very much, Right Honorable.
Of the question, you have a supplementary? Thank you. Then first it comes to the leader of opposition, the owner of the question. Cholo Central, you come after. Next time, please use the gadget to inform me that you have got a question.
Thank you. Right Honorable Speaker, thank you for giving me a chance to provide a supplementary question, to ask a supplementary question. My supplementary question to His Excellency the President is, What policy do you have when it comes to financial management? I'm asking because Your Excellency, you have made over 60 foreign trips with large entourage, and you are on road every day within Malawi. This has resulted in overspending. Consequently, we have had large budget deficit. As you are aware, Your Excellency, the inflation rate is now at 33%. Interest rate is over 25%. And the national debt is over 15 trillion kwacha. This cannot be blamed on environmental and geopolitics. To add, this, your trip has resulted in overspending. Consequently, we have large budget deficit, which means that government cannot live within its means.
Honorable Leader of Opposition.
It's a question.
Yes, can you stick? It is you who brought in this question.
Yeah.
You're asking on economic deterioration and IMF.
Yes.
So the supplementary should stick to the issues
Yes.
that you had raised, please. Thank you. Yes, proceed.
I'm asking, Right Honorable Speaker, because there's a relation, because he has mentioned about
Yes.
the environmental and geopolitics. He has mentioned about the problems of the weather, but I'm saying the supplementary question, what policy
Members on my right, can I have order, please? Order.
does the government have when it comes to financial management? I'm asking because, as I've said, Your Excellency, you have made over 60 foreign trips with large interests, and you are on the road every day. Was it not possible that this work could have been delegated to your able ministers who are there? Because by so doing, Your Excellency, it would mean that we are saving money for Malawi. Your Excellency,
Honorable Leader, it's almost 3 minutes. Supplementary is supposed to be 1 minute. It's
Okay.
3 minutes. Supplementary is only 1 minute. And this is 3 minutes. So please.
I just end up, you are
Thank you, Honorable Leader of Opposition.
Speaker, by saying the World Bank has said Malawi is in fiscal distress. By fiscal distress, it means that we are bankrupt as a country. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Leader of Opposition. Honorable Member for Cholo Central.
Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker, for allowing the people of Cholo Central to ask a question, a supplementary question to His Excellency the President, and welcome. Your Excellency, you spoke within your response, the physical discipline that is being undertaken. And within the physical discipline, Your Excellency, it is very important that the 3 E's in economics, effectiveness, efficiency, and economically, be adhered to. I therefore would like you, Your Excellency, to pronounce yourself, particularly on the human-caused parameters in the economy, i.e. misprocurements, which are caused by men and your leadership. A very good example would be the misprocurements, for example, of hunting for fertilizer in pharmacies, for example, butchery, for example. And if we close, Your Excellency, you know very well that if we close those taps, you should be able to achieve what you are achieving. What do you intend to do to make sure that those misprocurements, which would form a very good part of this alignment to achieving financial growth, is done? I submit, Your Excellency. Thank you.
Thank you. Zomba Changalume. Zomba Changalume.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, Madam Speaker, for recognizing the people of Zomba Jangalume to ask a supplementary question to the President. Madam Speaker, IMF uses several components, and one of them is checking if the economic and financial policies are being followed. And since, Mr. President, you have followed this, and it has brought back donor confidence and resumption of donor aid, what measures have you put in place to maintain this most awaited donor confidence? Thank you so much, Madam Speaker.
Thank you very much, Zomba Changalume. Your Excellency the President.
Madam Speaker, let me express deep gratitude to Mulanje Southwest for a supplementary question. With regard to the policy that I am pursuing in financial management, in the context, to put it in his words, 60 foreign trips, and that I keep traveling, I should trust members of cabinet to do some of the work I do. Again, thank you for what you say, but it is premised on assumptions that I would not agree with. First of all, Malawi is part of global economy. It is a bad foreign policy that excludes Malawi from others. And so whenever it is possible, I have made trips that would be for the benefit of our nation. When I would miss as important meetings as the Commonwealth, Commerce and others, it means that I'm not attending every meeting, and ministers represent me to some of those. I also wish you to know that in some instances, my trips have been funded by those who have requested for me to attend in behalf of Malawi.